Hi there. Here we are with our patient Marc. Marc came back after about 14 months. We did a huge case on him. We did a MaxHarvest Plus hair transplant procedure where we re-established his entire frontal hairline, built all the way through and filled him in. How was the process for you, my friend?
It was wonderful. I was surprised how painless and easy the procedure was. I had a previous procedure that was actually a little uncomfortable. I felt pain throughout that procedure, whereas this procedure I actually fell asleep. The guys working on me were making fun of me because I was snoring in the chair, and my recovery time was easy. Everything was easier. Everything was easier, and the results were not even comparable.
That's awesome. When I saw you, I couldn't even believe it. This is one of the greatest results. You'll see the befores. You look like a kid again, man. I mean, that hair is so thick and full.
I feel like a kid again.
That's amazing. And what are your family and friends saying about it when they see you?
Everybody thinks it's unbelievable, especially the people who haven't seen me in a while.
Yeah.
You know, they know how I looked previously.
Yeah.
I said the best result was my ex-wife. I hadn't seen her in a while, and all of a sudden she saw me and told me I looked, 10 years younger.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
It was great.
And now, and you said you have some friends that want to do this now because of what you've...
Yeah, it's really interesting because I think everybody's so nervous about this type of procedure, and I think especially with the with the FUE procedures coming out, everybody is flocking towards that because of this so-called scarless procedure, that they think something like this is like archaic, you shouldn't be doing this, and meanwhile it's like all these people here are totally destroyed.
Yeah, they destroy their donor, you're right.
Yeah, and it's if you do the research and you talk to doctors who are reputable, they're all going to tell you the same thing, that you don't get the results that you do with this. And now my brother-in-law wants to go, my stepbrother wants to go. I mean, everybody.
That's awesome. Yeah, that's what we see. Once someone in the family gets the procedure, they get their confidence back, then everybody's like, well, where'd you do that?
One guy's got to take the plunge, and then it's like an open floodgate.
I agree. Would you say it's changed your confidence in the way you see yourself? Has it changed your daily interactions with people?
100%. 100%. And I don't know what the direct correlation is, but my career has improved a ton. My social life obviously has improved a ton.
That's awesome.
And when you start to look better, you start to feel more confident. I started working on a ton. I was explaining this to somebody yesterday. It kind of snowballs.
Yeah,
it
changes everything. You're right, man.
I can't find a good reason not to do it.
That's awesome.
So
that's awesome.
That's why I'm back.
I'm so happy for you, man. I love what I do.
I'm
and when I see results like this, it just makes my day. And I know exactly what you're telling me because I went through it myself. And it changes how you see yourself. It changes the everyday interactions with people. You feel better about yourself. You want to get back in shape, like you said.
Yeah.
So it's good stuff. Anyways, let's show you off a little bit. Just kind of tuck your chin down like this. I'm going to just kind of take a comb through here. So this is a one procedure result. He is using Propecia. He is using Rogaine. Look at that. Holy smokes, man. Beautiful. Just kind of look up at the camera for a second. I want to show the hairline off. So super natural. One hair grafts around the front. So it's nice, and so that's gorgeous freaking hairline, man. Wow.
I don't think I'm even experiencing full growth yet.
I'm going to just kind of turn you around here. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Everyone always wants to kind of see the scar, so I'm going to kind of start back here. So we went all the way from one side over here. See that scar through there? And he had a previous surgery. So, if you can see that. So he's got two little lines in there. Some patients opt to take the one out, but that's optional. And then all the way through. I'm going to just kind of have you tilt your head back at the camera again. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. Holy smokes, man. Where do you think I'm putting more hair today?
I think we're going to find some places.
That's a complete home run, brother. That's unbelievable. That's unbelievable. I love it, man. I'm the biggest critic of my work, and that's amazing, man. I'm super happy for you. So congratulations.
Thanks so much.
thank you very much for doing the video for us.
Of course.
Hey, if there was something you'd say to someone sitting out there who's on the fence about this, what would you say to them?
I'd say the worst thing you can do is wait. I wish I had done this 5-6 years earlier. You know, I started losing my hair when I was 21. I'm 32 now. It's just, there's no good reason to wait. There really isn't.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.